A real leader wants committed, intelligent, dedicated individuals as his followers. When Napoleon was building the army, he was not interested about some bunch of fools and cheap admirers. His concern was, if you're prepared to give your life for me, then you join me. Same is with Guru Gobind Singh. His challenge was, his offer was, who is prepared to give his life? Dharma is in danger. Who is prepared to save Dharma? In order to save Dharma, prepared to give his life. And those who stepped forward, with him, he created his army. Khalsa. So a real leader is interested about sincere followers. He doesn't care about some stupid, cheap admirers. And that's how Srila Prabhupada created ISKCON. Those who are prepared, those who are joining ISKCON, they must be determined in their purpose. They must be prepared to sacrifice themselves to join the army of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the army of God. And by offering ourselves, we'll gain ourselves. By offering ourselves, we'll achieve immortality.